Hi, hello. I am super excited because I got something very, very exciting in the mail. I got this box from Phlur Perfumes, and it contains their newest release, the Mood Ring perfume. I haven't tried this yet. This was a blind buy, but I am super excited. So let's open this up together and see how they package their perfumes and figure out what I think of it. If I can get this box open. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like this on the inside. And once you open it up, the perfume comes like this. I am so excited. This is their newest release. It literally just released a few days ago. See what the packaging looks like. Okay, looks like there are other Phlur perfumes. Same kind of push-out box. Their little $28 perfume comes in. So this perfume is an olfactive family fruity floral. It has notes of the top, pitaya pulp, orange, and fruit gummies. A heart note of orange, flower, jasmine, sambac, marigold bloom, a base of patchouli, blaze musks, and amber. So, according to the website, this new perfume is supposed to smell like colors, and it's supposed to be a sweet escape. I have no idea what that means. So let's open this and see what it smells like. If I can get it out of this packaging, that would be nice. I don't want to ruin the package. I'm going to need something to pop this out. Hold on, I will be right back. I finally popped it out of the package, so let's see what this smells like. Orangey. I'm scared. You know what? I don't want to smell this. Spray this on myself. Let me get a tissue. I'll be back again. Okay, so I've got this little cleansing, reusable cleansing wipe thing. I'm going to spray it on this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't like patchouli, and I love it in this. Oh my goodness, this is a good, oh, it's sweet, but it's not cloying. For some reason I thought it was going to smell like fruit gummies or Fruity Pebbles or something, but it's beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. It's elegant and sophisticated. It has a warmth and a fruitiness to it. This is good. I am so happy I bought this. Okay, I'm gonna give Mood Ring a 2 thumbs up. I think that this perfume is beautiful. It smells like a fruity floral, only it's beautiful. It's very elegant. And all the notes just mix together to make a sweet, romantic, elegant scent. It's literally like a mood ring. It's very moody, but sweet moody, and fruity, but not like a fruit salad bowl. It's beautiful. I highly recommend you try this perfume. This one is my favorite scent from Phlur. I can tell already. And I've just tried it on just now. Oh my gosh. I love it. I think I found my favorite perfume. This perfume is so different and so beautiful. If you like fruity, sweet smells, you will like this. If you don't like patchouli, you will like it in this. I hate patchouli. I mean, I really dislike patchouli. And it's just wonderful in this one. Oh, I highly recommend that you try this perfume. This is so beautiful. And I'd like to add, this is not sponsored. And this perfume was a blind buy. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at this. It's so elegant and so colorful, like a mood ring. And then the green color of the perfume and the spray, the spritz, this is just gorgeous. So I hope you liked my unboxing and first impressions of Phlur's Mood Ring perfume. I love it. So it's up to you whether you want to blind buy the way I did. Some people will like it, some people don't. I don't suggest you do that. I was scared to death that I would hate this perfume from the scent family, but I am shockingly surprised at how beautiful this perfume is and how much I like it. If you liked this type of video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.